Customers may order queens, or they may order a queen and a package of bees. A package is a screen box with a queen in a cage, 1 to 4 pounds of bees, and a can full of syrup. These colonies have been lavishly fed so that they grow very fast and produce lots of bees, and the excess bees are being harvested. The package crew comes through the yard, removes the covers, puts down a queen excluder and an empty box with baffles on which to catch excess bees. They will then smoke the bottom of these colonies, driving the bees up through the queen excluder, up into that box above. That box then makes it very easy to shake the bees off into the storage container that you see behind him. Now here we've already finished harvesting the excess bees. He's brushing the bees away so that when he puts the lid down he doesn't crush any. He's going to take that box and put it over onto another colony to harvest another batch of bees. Gives them a little bit of a thump, and the bees pour down through the funnel and into the container. The truck shown here is supplied with pallets full of empty packages. Pulls the packages off with the loader, drops them down, pulls out one of the frames that you saw earlier with the queens, and starts pulling the queens out of the rack. You can see the bees that have been tending them, covering them, keeping them fed, keeping them protected from the elements. Grabs a couple handful of boxes full of queens. There's a little metal tab on those and a little slit in the box. He goes through the box, putting one queen in each box. Notice the speed and skill with which he works, racking up groups of 5. This set's ready to go. Here's the shaker box. It's got a slide on the end. Those funnels sitting there are sitting on a scale. So they're going to shake the bees through the funnel into the container on the bottom, and the guy in the green helmet is going to be watching the scale, and when they hit the 2, 3, or 4 pounds necessary, dumps them into the box in which he's put the queen, reaches over, grabs a can full of syrup, pops it in, and that package is ready to go. In the meantime, the gentleman behind him is pouring more bees. Here's a better shot of him shaking. You literally can pour bees. Here's a close-up of them shaking into the package, and you can see the metal tab that's holding the queen cage. And see how fast those bees stream up to the queen. Again, down the line, fill them up, 1, 2, 3, just almost as fast as you can count. It's a highly orchestrated, synchronized process. One shakes, one places them in, turns around, grabs the next one. Again, no waste of motion or time. And in the background, you can see the crew harvesting more bees for the packages. Now, this group's done. You're going to go put them on another pallet. And here's a pallet of packages ready to go back on the truck. There we go. Loading them up and ready to go. From here they'll go to a warehouse back at the staging area of Olivera's honeybees. You also notice they're very gentle with these. This is the final step. The next morning they load these trucks. These are specialized trucks for hauling the bees across the United States.